In this video, I'm going to show you how to block porn websites or adult websites on Google Chrome. So first you need to open Google Chrome on your Mac or PC. Now if you search porn, then you can see there are plenty of porn sites on our search result. So you see we can access all these porn websites from our browser Google Chrome. So now what we'll do is click on this three dot, click on settings, click on privacy and security, click on security. Here you can see the option enhance protection. We'll enable this option. Okay, so what it will do is it will filter out dangerous websites and websites with malware. So now we will press back. So now we will scroll down and here you can see the option select DNS provider and it is set to OS default when available. Click on it and select clean browsing family filter. And if this option use secure DNS is inactive in your browser, then turn this on. Okay, so that's it. Our settings part is done. Now we will come back to search bar. Again we will search for porn. And this time you can see there is no porn websites, only websites with articles on porn or videos on porn. But there is no porn site showing up on search result. So this is how you block porn sites on Google Chrome. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.